Good morning, students. In the last class, we discussed regarding moles. Just introduction कहଥିଲି. So don't worry at all. Don't get nervous by the name of mole. Mole is a simple thing, a bigger number. It is a bigger number. कौन कहती definition? It contains equal number of particles present in 12 gram of C12. So जब हमें bigger way लिखिवा 1 mole तुम कहिछि it can be written as 1 mol mole or abbreviated as mol. So in terms of mass, যদি mass and number 1 mole is equal to gram molecular mass. बात अपन को molar mass. Gram molecular mass, I have already told you what is gram molecular mass. Now it is the molecular mass of a molecule expressed in grams. So that is also called molar mass. So the mass terms on about 1 mole कहले हम कौन बुझू? Now it is equal to gram molecular mass. Okay. Then in terms of numbers or particles, it is equal to Avogadro's number 6.023 into 10 to the power 23. So in terms of particles, it may be molecules or atoms depending on the condition. Okay. It in terms of particles, 1 mole कहले कौन बुझियो? ना Avogadro number. एटा कौन कहा जाय छा? ना Avogadro constant or Avogadro number. Na. Then in case of a gas, there will be thirdly. So only for gases, the gases they occupy same volume. Under the similar condition of temperature and pressure. Kete? Now 1 mole of any gas will occupy 22.4 liter volume at STP. That is standard temperature and pressure. So at the lower level, now normally there is no differentiation between STP and NTP. But NTP remember NTP temperature na 20 degrees Celsius, that means to 93 Kelvin. Pressure 1 atmospheric pressure. Okay. At STP, that is standard temperature and pressure, temperature कितना होगा? ना 0 degree Celsius और 273 Kelvin. आउ pressure कितना होगा? 1 bar. So when you go to higher level, you differentiate between NTP and STP. For the timing in your books also, they are at par. But strictly considering 1 mole of any gas would occupy around 24.04 liter volume at NTP. किंतु तुम बुक से सेटा से 22.4 liter at NTP भी दिया है. काहे ना at your level NTP STP को at par निया है. So don't get confused, but make it a practice to write as STP. NTP लिखो नहीं, do not write as NTP because this one is the correct one. All gases they occupy 22.4 liter volume at STP, that is standard temperature and pressure, where the temperature will be 0 degree Celsius or 273 Kelvin and pressure will be 1 bar. But if the question is given as NTP, you assume that it is STP. Accordingly, you solve it. So at your level, do not differentiate between STP and NTP too much. Okay. So again coming back to our chapter, 1 mole कहले हमें देखो, we are considering in 3 terms. This is mass term, this is particle term, and this is volume term. And remember, volume term is only applicable for gases. The volume term is only applicable for gases. So in the A link every time you will succeed to find out what is 1 mole. तुम कहथिल देखो छुआ, कहथिली 1 mole of hydrogen. You have to express in different ways. You know hydrogen is H2. Hydrogen molecule is H2 molecular mass केते हिजबो molecular mass होची 2.016. in some books it is also rounded as 2, no problem, but you try to use at 2.016. so what is the atomicity of hydrogen? Atomicity कौन कहती? It is the number of atoms which combine to produce one molecule, to form one molecule. एटी कितना hydrogen atom combine like H2 होइछि ना 2, so atomicity is 2. so these are the basics regarding hydrogen molecule. अच्छा ताले 1 mole of hydrogen starting with particles, that means it will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of hydrogen. Any doubt? होइछि जदि 1 मोल अछि माने एवोगाड्रो नंबर विल बी देयर. ओके ताले एटम्स केते हिजो देखो 1 molecule of hydrogen contains 2 atoms, so obviously it would be 2 into 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of hydrogen. ओके एटा जनरल नॉलेज तुम बाहर कला कोन ना गोटे मॉलिक्यूल हाइड्रोजन ने दुईटा एटम रहउची, बट व्हाट इज द फार्मूला हम कोन लेथिली ना एटॉमिसिटी इनटू नंबर ऑफ एटम्स. एटॉमिसिटी इज 2 सेम थिंग. देन नंबर 3 होइची व्हाट इज 1 मोल ना ग्राम मोलिकुलर मास कते 2.016. दैट मींस it will be equal to 2.016 ग्राम. जहां भी नियो molecular mass calculate करिवो ग्राम लगे देबो, that becomes 1 mole. okay, that is called gram molecular mass or molar mass. okay, then this is a gas. then एटी का प्रथम वॉल्यूम को वॉल्यूम माने it would occupy 22.4 liter volume at STP, standard temperature and pressure. Okay. So these are the various ways to write down or express 1 mole of hydrogen in different ways. Okay. So next we will be discussing some more examples so that it will be clear for you. Okay. Okay, students. So I think you might be having some clarity regarding mole now. So what is mole? Again I am telling, it's a bigger unit, but not to be used by everyone. Suppose you ask your mother, give me 1 mole of salt. So what she will do? यदि मां को जाके मागियो मते गोटे मोल लूण दियो, मां ठो करी चापुटे मारी लूण कथा बोल दियो, बुझिले? So it is a bigger unit only used by chemistry knowing persons. Okay? So मु जोडा कहली मन पर तुमको कहली 1 mole of salt. 1 mole of salt. Salt, which salt? Table salt. Formula is sodium chloride. So you should be having idea. यदि मु 1 mole of salt कहूची मते केते ग्राम salt दरकार? So what will be answer? ना sodium chloride मु कोन कहिची 1 mole is 1 gram molecular mass or molar mass. तो जहां भी दिया था what will be your first step? ना simply calculate the molecular mass. So sodium is 23, chlorine is 35.5. So what is the molecular mass? 58.5. So the molecular mass of salt, that is sodium chloride, will be 58.5. That means 1 mole of salt means it is 58.5 gram. So 1 mole of salt. जदि तुमको के मागिला how many grams you are going to give him? Na 58.5 gram. Okay. Same thing. Suppose the doctor tells you drink 1 mole of water in every hour. Doctor तुमको कहले जे प्रत्येक घंटा रे गोटे मोल वाटर पियो. कोन करिवो? You have to calculate because you know what is mole. So 1 mole of water. Water is H2O. 1 mole कहले केते ग्राम of water देखिबा. So molecular mass calculate करिया कहिछि फर्स्ट स्टेप होछि सबले molecular mass. हाइड्रोजन होछि दुईटा अछि 2 into 1 plus oxygen is 16. So molecular mass of water is 18. Okay, that means 1 mole of water means, so 1 mole of water means how many grams? Now jaha molecular mass is खाली ग्राम बगे दो. Simply you have to add gram to the calculated molecular mass. So 1 mole of water कहले कौन होचे तुम्हें 18 grams. Okay. Suppose तुमको बापा कहले बापा से जाऊ छुटी ऑक्सीजन लेवल कम, उटा काम कर, you do one thing, you take 1 mole of oxygen with you. Oxygen को उतरे नबो, let us say 1 liter bottle तुमको किछ available अछि, सेते तुम oxygen नै कि जीवो. So how many 1 liter bottles it will be? You should be able to calculate. तो calculate करबा दरकार. Suppose तुम कहली 1 mole of oxygen. Oxygen means O2. Oxygen means O2. Okay. देखबा molecular mass केता होची? Molecular mass केता होची ना 2 into 16. That means 32. Okay. So 1 mole of oxygen means 32 gram of it. So first point अच्छा clear है ये तो होची बु gram molecular mass जहाँ 1 mole से. So whatever is the gram molecular mass, it is 1 mole of that substance. बुझेला सेटा clearly mind रे ताको stable करो. 1 mole means 1 gram molecular mass. You know how to calculate molecular mass? Side में G लगी तो that means gram, it becomes 1 mole. Okay? अच्छा. What is the special? I have given you 3 types of examples: solid, liquid, gas. 3 का example लेके देखो. Solid, this is an example of a solid substance. लूणो जोड़ा salt. This is the example of a liquid substance जोड़ा पीऊ चो तुम्हें पानी. Liquid substance. And this is a example of gaseous substance. Okay. तो देखो प्रत्येक substance में it is applicable. 1 mole means 1 gram molecular mass. Clear? Okay. Then what is the similarity between these three? कहीं क्या मैं express करेगा? 1 mole uniqueness कौन? Now look, all of them contain same number of particles. That means same number of molecules here. So 1 mole of salt means 58.5 gram. It contains 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of sodium chloride or salt. Okay. Then how many molecules of water will be here? Now same. It will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water or H2O. Okay. Then how many molecules of oxygen will be here in 32 grams? Now it will contain same 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of O2. तो मन रखिए पे आउट स्टेप तुमको देली जे व्हाटएवर मे बी द सब्सटेंस इन व्हिच एवर स्टेट इट मे बी सॉलिड था लिक्विड था गैस था व्हाट इज कॉमन रिगार्डिंग इट ना 1 mole of everything is 1 gram molecular mass. That means gram molecular mass और जोटा हम कहू molar mass. Molar mass लेके कौन यूनिट यूज करे पड़ो ना gram per mole. It is mass of 1 mole of that substance. Okay, that is gram per mole. कोई भी अप्रेस. Then second thing, uniqueness is 1 mole of any substance means Avogadro number of particles. So all of them contain same number of molecules. And what is speciality regarding gases? कौन कहती देखा ना? In addition to these things, it will occupy 22.4 liter volume at STP. You have to remember it. Jadi 8 form में मन रखी दो. If you are able to remember these things, you can solve any numerical form mole concept. Okay. So this is the second thing to be remembered as I given you by tabular form. Okay. Next we'll discuss some more examples. Okay, students. So I think by now it will be more clear to you. More विषय टिके अधिका बुझी पारुथबो. I think so. I hope so. So next how to clarify करिया पई न गोटे easy example दउची. Suppose I want to weigh one molecule of water. Water गोटे molecule ने भी तार ओजन बाहर करी. I want to weigh one molecule of water. केते हबो? So what will question होची? What will be the mass of one molecule of water? This is the question for you. पानी रो गोटे मोलिक्यूल ओजन लेबे हम देखियो हला. So आंसर स्टार्ट करिवा. आंसर so water सबले स्टेप 1 कोन कहिछि mole means gram molecular mass. So everywhere you have to start with molecular mass. Molecular mass केता हो 2 plus 16 that is 18 is the molecular mass of water. Okay. So if we take one, look at the starting point, 1 mole of water. How many molecules? 1 mole of any substance is Avogadro number of molecules. So 1 mole of water means 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water. So this is the definition. 1 mole of water means how many molecules will be there? Now Avogadro number of molecules. Then 1 mole of water means 1 gram molecular mass. What is molecular mass? 18. So 1 mole of water means also 18 gram. So you have to start like this. Then look, there is a relationship between these two. So 6.023 into 10 power 23 molecules of water will weigh 18 gram. माने एतिकी molecule water रो ओजन केता हो 19 gram. So you will start from here. So 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water is equal to how many grams? Clearly written here 18 grams. Then unitary method, you have to every time follow unitary method. That means 1 molecule of water implies that 1 molecule of water will weigh 18 divided by this number, 18 divided by 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 gram. Do not change the unit. So 18 by 6.023. देखिए कितना होची 10 to the power 23. When it will go to upside, it will be 10 to the power minus 23. So it will be around 2.99 into कौची एटा ऊपर गले कितना हिजबा 10 to the power minus 23. So this is the answer. So this is the mass of 1 molecule of water. Okay. So you can solve numericals like this. We will solve some more next. So students, we solve one type of numerical, then we will try one more. Question 2. How many molecules of methane, you know the formula is CH4, will be there or will be present in 1.6 gram of it. Means methane if taken in 1.6 gram, if 1.6 gram of methane is taken, then how many molecules of methane will be there? This is the question. Jodi methane 1.6 gram niya gala, tale setare methane molecule ketata rohibo. Okay. So answer देखिबा. We'll start with the same one. Step 1 को इसी सबला कौन? Molecular mass. So methane is CH4. So what will be molecular mass? Now 12 plus 4 into 1, hydrogen is 1, that means 16. Okay. Then you have to start from 1 mole of the given substance. What is methane? So 1 mole of methane means how many molecules? Avogadro number of molecules kete na 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of what? Methane. So 1 mole of methane means Avogadro number of molecules of methane. Koichi already by definition. Then what will be 1 mole of methane again? Na koichi 1 mole of any substance is gram molecular mass. Molecular mass kete 16. That means it will be equal to 16 gram. Okay. So this is the starting point. So whatever question is given, you take 1 mole of that substance. Step 1 is you calculate the molecular mass. Step 2, you take 1 mole of that substance expressed in different possible ways. Okay, you start from this one. Okay. So 16, look what is asked here, gram this side, so you will take gram this side. 16 gram of methane contains how many molecules? Now 6, this one equal to this one, 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of methane. बुझे ना? एटा और एटा को इक्वेट कर दिलो. I have only equated these two. So mark करो कौनटा बचरा है. What has been asked? So you take it in this side. So 16 gram of methane contains this much molecules. Okay. Unitary method कौन कही? Implies that 1 gram of methane. कितना है वो? कितना molecule होगा? Now this by this will contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 16. Divided by 16 molecules of methane. Unitary method. Required is 1.6 gram. So implies that 1.6 gram of methane would contain this into 1.6. So 6.023 into 10 to the power 23 divided by 16 into 1.6 molecules of methane. So 1.6 means 16 by 10. So if these two are cancelled, it will be 10 here. Okay. So what will be answer? Now 10 power 23 by 10 means 10 power 22. So answer would be, it would contain 6.023 into 10 to the power 22 molecules of methane. So 1.6 gram of methane contains 6.023 into 10 power 22 molecules. So this is how we have to solve the numericals. Okay. So next I will be giving you some simple assignments. You try to solve it and send it to me. So hope you would have followed a bit regarding mole. तुमको दो प्रकार example आज देखी के पढ़ो. How to solve the numericals. Okay. In terms of number of molecules and mass. So in the next class we will be trying some more numericals. So next I will be giving you the assignments. You try to solve it and send it to me. Okay. So students, we'll solve some typical numericals. किसी बच्चा numerical तुम solve कर देंगे. So this is the assignment for you. Okay. You try to solve it. Number 1, question number 1, calculate the mass of one molecule of ammonia. If one molecule of ammonia is taken, what will its mass? यदि गोटे molecule ammonia लिया जाए, ताल का ओजोन कितने है वो? Okay. Question 2, what would be the mass of 1000 molecules of water? यदि water 1000 टा molecule लिया हला, ताल का ओजोन कितने वो? So if 1000 molecules of water are taken, then what will be its mass? Question number 3, how many molecules of calcium carbonate are present in 10 gram of it? जदि calcium carbonate 10 ग्राम तुमको दिया गला, सेथरे calcium carbonate रो केतना molecule रहिबे? So how many molecules of calcium carbonate are present in 10 gram of it? Okay. Then question number 4, I will not solve this one for you and hope that you will able to solve it. Okay. What would be the volume occupied by 16 gram of oxygen at STP? Remember, oxygen is a gas, and I have already told you 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter volume at STP. Okay, let me see whether you are able to solve it or not. If you are able to solve it, then I will know that you are following me. Then another thing, if you are having any doubt, because this is a conceptual thing, we have to go through concepts. Concept तो बहुत clear हवा दरकार. तेणु you do one thing. Whatever doubt you are having, you may ask me through my WhatsApp. Write it and send it through my WhatsApp number, or you can directly post in the comment section of the YouTube. In both the ways, I will respond to you. Okay. So this is for today. Hope that you have understood these things. जदि भी किसी डाउट रहीगला छुआ कौन प्रॉब्लम नहीं, will proceed slowly. In mole concept part, I will be proceeding very slowly because this is a conceptual thing which is required for entire life. That means during your study तुमको मोल concept बहुत clarity दरकार, से लगी हमें बहुत slow रे जीवा. So we are not in a hurry. You also don't hurry. तो जहाँ भी प्रॉब्लम अच्छी मत क्लियरली पचारा. So this is for today. Thank you.